The shofar, or Jewish name for the ram's horn, shofar, it's used in Jewish holidays. It's used to signal people. It's used to signal the start of a war. It's a spiritual instrument that the Jews have been using for thousands of years. The first shofar was heard on Mount Sinai when God gave Moses the Ten Commandments, and God blew the shofar. It was a loud sound was heard, as described in the Bible. It will be blown by Jesus upon his return. The shofar is mentioned in the Bible 72 times. God loves the shofar. The larger shofar like this is from the antelope, deer type, called a kadu. It's in North Africa. It makes for the better shofar and the better sound. There are 4 different sounds that Jewish people blow with the shofar. The tekiah is one long blast, and it signifies awakening and tells you what's fixing to lie ahead. The second sound is called the shivarim. It consists of 3 different blasts, and it signifies the sobbing sound of a heart that's yearning to connect, to grow, and to achieve God's will. And the third sound is the tura, and that's an alarm that consists of 9 staccato short blasts, and it's used in battle and to sound an alarm. The last sound is the tekiah godala, or one long blast that you use it to blow for as long as you can. It signifies the end of Jewish holidays and to inspire the soul. I'm going to attempt to blow these 3. The tura, one blast. Okay, the shivarim, 3 medium blasts. The tura, the 9 short staccato blasts of alarm. Then the last, the tekiah godala, the long blast. You do this as long as you can hold your breath. My record's about 45 seconds, but I may not be able to make it this time.